Okay, here you have the modified squeegee. I've got a modified scrubber to a 36-inch one. So I'm going to show you this way to use the squeegee, and right up into the corners, squeeging right into the edges with relatively ease, and I'll go across like this. Scrub this side as well, same way, and bring it over into the corner, down, right close up to the edge, swing it around and close out. Okay, this is from a different angle, same glass, different style too, you'll notice. Squeegee the same way around, go down and then swing around like this and close out on the bottom. Do the same on this half of the glass, right up to the edges, and I'm not putting all that much pressure, and it seems to be getting right up to the edges. And this is how it goes, and well, I suppose that's about it.